Hello, welcome to Ms. Shaw's High Frequency Words Learning video for Monday. This week we have the high frequency words a, to, and like. Objective. What will I do today? Today I will identify and read high frequency words a, to, and like by reading sight word flashcards and reading page 59 in my student journal. The text you will be working on today is K.2 VIB. If you want to know what each text mean, those are on the lesson 2 version of the high frequency words on the Google Slides. It will tell you exactly what text that is and what it stands for. This is the sight word like. You spell the word like L-I-K-E, like. Say the word like. Good job. This is the word to. To as if you are going to something. T-O, to. Say it with me. To. This is the sight word a. This is a sight word, but also a letter. But this is actually our sight word for the week, the letter A and the word a. A. This is the activity for today, activity 1. I want you to read along with me. So get your book out and turn to page 59. Remember, try to use your pointy finger when you follow along with the sentences. It will help keep your spot in the sentence. So it says, my words to know. These are the 3 sight words we are working with this week. Ms. Shaw uses the word high frequency and sight words interchangeably. That means they mean the same thing. So our 3 sight words are a, to, and like. Okay, here's your turn. It says, my sentences to read. These are words. When you put words together, they make a sentence. So follow along with me. I like to bat. I like to bat. And they are showing you a picture of a baseball bat. So you might recognize this sight word from last week, I. That's why it's important to learn your sight words, because each week we're going to be building on the sight words from the previous week. So it's important for you to learn those, and the more you know, the easier the reading sentences will be. Let's look at the second sentence. I like a mitt. Mitt. You may not be familiar with this word. There's a picture right here. When you play baseball, the thing that goes on the guy's hand that catches the ball is called a mitt. M-I-T-T, mitt. So let's read the sentences one more time. I like to bat. I like a mitt. Good job. Practice reading on your own.